everybody, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get started using your Textdrip account in just 4 easy steps. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, step 1 to get started is creating a drip campaign. So to create a drip campaign is really simple. You're going to select here where it says drip campaign, select where it says add campaign, and then let's go ahead and put in the name of that campaign. Click on continue. You're going to select the type of campaign you would like to send out. Click on create, and then a blank message box is going to automatically appear for you to fill in. Once you have your first message filled in, we have different ways for our system to help you to customize your drip campaign. You can do that by using our AI message generator, create spin text, or using our merge fields. Now, I'm going to go ahead and keep this time duration at 1 minute. This is going to be the time that my messages are going to be sent out to my customers. I can always change this by the hours and days and change whatever number I like here too as well. If I wanted to add on to this campaign, I will select here where it says add drip, select where it says SMS, and a blank message box is going to appear. This way I can have as many messages as I like go out in my drip campaign. I'm going to select save to save that drip campaign, and then this is how it looks. Now, I know what you're thinking. After you create your drip campaign, well, now what? Well, we're going to go into step 2. Step 2 is all about how to be organized, and you can do that through our tags and pipelines. So let's take a look at tags. As you can see here, we have so many different tags in our system, but making one is really easy. You select here where it says add tag, put in the name of that tag here, select the color if you like, and then click on submit. Tags are a way to easily manage your leads by allowing you to filter based off certain criteria. Now, another way to stay organized is through our pipelines. Once again, pipelines are completely customizable. Pipelines help you to track your leads as they move through different stages of the sales process. To create a pipeline here, we're going to select where it says add pipeline. I'm going to once again put in the word blue, change the color if I like to as well, and click on submit. And now I've just made another pipeline. Now, once you have your pipelines and tags created, you are now going to stay very organized within your Textdrip account. So let's go ahead and go to step 3. Step 3, I'm going to show you 2 ways to import leads. However, we have several different ways besides the 2 I'll be showing you to help you to import your leads. We have things like extensions, API, and integrations available. If you like more information about any of our integrations features, you can always book an appointment for a full demo or just go to textdrip.com. Now, importing your customers are so easy. We're going to go here to where it says import. You're going to choose a file. Once you select the file, you're going to click on open, upload, and then you're going to make sure all your columns are correct. I'm also going to show you a sample CSV file too as well, so you can see exactly how those look for your customers. So let me go ahead and pull that up too as well. And this is a sample CSV file. As you can see here, we have the columns, the first name, last name, phone number, email, address. As long as they are formatted correctly and just making sure you have that first name and phone number, you are good to go. So let's go ahead and go back to my Textdrip account here so we can finish this off. Now, once you are in this page here and you have everything formatted correctly, then you're going to scroll down. You're going to select a drip campaign, add a tag if you like, and then click on proceed. Once you do that, you have now successfully sent out your very first drip campaign to your customers. So I know you're thinking now, well, now what? Well, you can also import your leads directly through our contact field too as well, manually. So you can do that by going to action here, going to add contact. Then the only thing you need to add in a contact is first name and phone number. From here, you can add in a drip campaign if you like. Select the phone number you would like their messages to come from, and then click on save. Once you do that, you're going to have your contacts within our system. Now, once you send out that drip campaign to your customers, you want to know how to actually respond back to them. And you can do that through our inbox. Our inbox is really easy. From here, you can send a quick response. You can add an image. You can add another campaign. You can also schedule a message. You can add an emoji. You can always opt her out, blocker, or you can call too as well. Really simple. Now, those are the 4 simple steps for you to go ahead and get started. If you would like a more in-depth look into Textdrip and get more information about our amazing features, you can book a demo for one-on-one help by going to textdrip.com. And remember, our information is subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks, everybody. Bye.